Now let's learn our division facts for the 11 times table. 0 divided by 11 is 0. 11 divided by 11 is 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2, because if we have 22 counters, we can make two groups of 11. 33 divided by 11 is 3, because if we have 33 counters, we can make three groups of 11. 44 divided by 11 is 4. 55 divided by 11 is 5. 66 divided by 11 is 6. 77 divided by 11 is 7. 88 divided by 11 is 8. 99 divided by 11 is 9. 110 divided by 11 is 10. 121 divided by 11 is 11. And 132 divided by 11 is 12.